Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Merlina Eka Angelina from Accounting B with study number 3.41.19.1.18. Let me tell you about my FreeNow project proposal. The title is Calculation of Cost of Production Using Full Costing Method at the Cahaya Bakery. They are the structure of my presentation. Background, formulation of the problems, purposes of the research, benefit research, literature review, research method, and research schedule. The first is background. In the business world, intense competition is a natural thing to happen. This requires every entrepreneur to offer their product with high quality and the advantage of its product. The superiority of product quality can be seen from the use of quality raw materials and the selling price of product that can still compete in the market. Both of these refer to the calculation of the cost of production, which must be made as accurate as possible so that the calculation of the cost of production can describe the actual cost incurred in the production process. Cahaya Bakery is one of the businesses that sell various breads, cakes, tart, and sponge cake. The cost of the product must be calculated so that the company knows the costs that have been incurred its product, and to determine the selling price of the product. Cahaya Bakery in production process does not use the calculation of the cost of production in accordance with accounting standard. This is because factory overhead costs have not been taken into account by the company. The company only focuses on charging raw material costs and labor costs, so the calculation of the cost of production is not accurate. Based on the above background, it's unnecessary for this research to be carried out of the calculated the cost of production using the full costing method at Cahaya Bakery so that the right cost of goods manufactured can be found. The second is formulation of the problem. Based on the background, the formulation of the problem in this research is: number 1. How is the cost of production calculated using the full costing method at Cahaya Bakery so that a more precise cost of production is obtained? Number 2. How does the cost of production compare between the calculation of the full costing method and the cost of production applied by Cahaya Bakery? The third is the research purposes. The purposes of this research is: number 1. Calculating the cost of goods manufactured using the full costing method at Cahaya Bakery so that a more precise cost of production is obtained. Number 2. Knowing the comparison of the cost of production between the result of the calculation of the full costing method and the cost of production applied by Cahaya Bakery. The fourth is the benefit of research. Number 1. Become a means of self-development to apply the knowledge gained during lecture related to the calculation of the cost of production using the full costing method. Number 2. Adding a library collection that can be used as a reference for the future research, especially in the field of cost accounting. Number 3. Provide advice and consideration for company management in calculating the cost of goods manufactured in a more detailed manner using the full costing method. Literature review. Number 1. Definition of cost. Number 2. Classification of cost. And number 3. Cost of goods sold. Definition of cost. Costs are sacrificed ensure the obtained goods or service that can provide benefit or profit in the future. Classification of costs. The classification of costs that are often used include the following. Costs classified to the function of business activity. The company has the following main function: production costs, marketing costs, administration and general costs, and the last financial costs. Number 2. Classification of costs according to the accounting period in which costs will be charged. The classification of expenses consists of capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Number 3. Classification of costs according to their tendency to change to activity or volume. Classification of costs according to 2, the tendency of change to activity or volume is divided into variable cost, semi-variable cost, fixed cost, semi-fixed cost. Number 4, classification of costs according to the object. Classification of costs according to object is divided direct costs and indirect costs. Number 5, cost classification for cost control purposes. For cost control, cost information advised to management is grouped into controllable costs and uncontrollable costs. Number 6, cost classification according to the purpose of decision making. In the purpose of decision making by company management, costs are grouped into relevant costs and irrelevant costs. Research method. Number 1, definition of research method. Number 2, classification of research method. Number 3, data collection technique. Number 4, research writing technique. Number 5, data analysis technique. And number 6, systematic of writing. Definition of research method. This research method is the scientific method used in the study to collect data used in the research to be carried out. Classification of research data. In general, research data are grouped into several types. In this study, research data are grouped into 2 types. Number 1, types of data by their nature. Based on their nature, the types of research data are grouped into qualitative data. Qualitative data is data that is expressed in the form of sentence of statement and it's not in the form of numbers. Number 2, quantitative data. Quantitative data is data that is expressed in the form of number. Types of data by source. Based on the source, the types of research data are divided into primary data. The primary data in this study were obtained from observation and interview with the owner of the Cahaya Bakery company regarding the company profile and some other additional information. Secondary data. Secondary data used in the history of the company and the production process that occur in the company. Data collection technique. Data collection technique used in this research are: number 1, interview. In this study, interviews were conducted to obtain the necessary data such as an overview of the company and the production process contained within the company. Number 2, observation. In this study, observations were made to see firsthand the state of the work environment, the material used, the processing of raw material, and others. Number 3, documentary study. This documentary study is for collecting data in the form of sales data, as well as data on production costs that make up the cost of production. Research writing technique. The writing technique used in the preparation of this research is as follows. Number 1, description. The preparation of this research used a description form to describe the history of the company, the location of the company, the organizational structure of the company, the duties and authorities of each part of Cahaya Bakery. Number 2, exposition. The preparation of this study used the form of exposition to explain the result of calculation and the comparison between the calculation of the cost of goods manufactured according to Cahaya Bakery and the calculation of the cost of goods manufactured using the full costing method. Data analysis technique. Data analysis technique used in this research. Number 1, retrieve the production data of the company Cahaya Bakery. Number 2, calculating the cost needed to determine the cost of production. Number 3, comparing the calculation of the cost of production that has been used by Cahaya Bakery with the full costing method. Number 4, concluding the differences from the result of the calculation of the cost of production applied by the company with the full costing method. Systematic of writing. The systematic of writing in this study are as follows. Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Chapter 3, Research Method. Chapter 4, Result and Discussion. And Chapter 5, Closing. And the last, I applied my research schedule. That's all for me. Forgive me if I have so many mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.